In this video we're going to make a poor man's pointing gun. You can actually buy a pointing gun for doing mortar, but they are quite expensive. I tried one a few years ago, it didn't work. That could be because of the mix I was using. I was using a 4:1 mix of sand and cement with a 1/4 hydrated lime mixed with water. These days I do a mix of 4 building sand, 1 cement, and I mix that with SBR, which makes the mortar very creamy and easier to use. Basically this is an old silicone tube that's been cleaned out. I have done a video on that in the past where I've used these and filled them with glue, etc. But today we're going to fill this with some mortar and we're going to use it for pointing. So there's nothing special about that. You simply push that out using a welding rod or something that'll fit up the end there. Give it a good clean inside and then you can use that for anything you want. So I've got a mix of 4 building sand in there and 1 cement. So I'm now just going to put some glasses on before I put the SBR in. And we're going to put the SBR in there and then we're going to mix that up to a creamy consistency. So that is now mixed to the correct consistency. As you can see, it is quite creamy. So I'm now just going to put that into the tube. I'm now going to push the end back in and I'll just give the end of the tube a wipe there. So I can now put that in a silicone gun. And as you can see, we can control that quite well. And we can actually use that for pointing. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.